Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. It is Monday, August 15th, just at the New York close. Let's get right into it with micro oil. We opened well below the close from Friday in oil down over here. Closes well up there. Didn't even make it back, but we had a good half hour, 40 minutes or so of just consolidation after that opening. And then we'd had some volatility kick in, and then they fought it for a good another 30 minutes before finally breaking up, making some new highs, and tried to make it beyond these levels. Now, these levels, again, we're giving out the night before the next day's trading activity. So you can see for yourself the support and resistance that the market had around them. And keep in mind that these weren't drawn that time that we saw the opening and such. These were drawn the day before. So several entries there. Gold, if we just take a quick look, opened below as well. Had a ton of buying. They just got stuffed. There's a huge seller that had stepped in for resistance there and then just got driven down. And they tried to get out, but they could not make it any higher. So ultimately, finishing net down like oil, net down. But again, a couple handful of entries in both markets today. Now, our equities, they decided to make some new highs, both the ES and NASDAQ. And they decided that pretty much from the get-go of the market opening. We just had a ton of buying pressure. It was just a slow, methodical, and you saw those entries step in off of those levels. Again, these levels are given out the night before for students so that they can get them on their charts the evening before the next day's trading session. But ultimately, you can see there's quite a bit of play at those levels, and then they made some new highs in the contract. Now, keep in mind, when you make new highs, there are no levels up there because we do not draw intraday high volume areas. So those are all new grounds of volume that have been shred. Now, NASDAQ, similar story. You can see the response again at these HVAs shortly after the market opened. Quite a bit of play, quite a bit of support here at the 13,550 mark that we saw. Ultimately, NASDAQ as well, getting into that white space above us where there are no HVAs, because again, those are new levels for us here in this contract. So ultimately, equities are positive for the day. Gold and oil are negative for the day compared to the prior day's close. If you are interested in finding out more information about these HVAs and how you can get them onto your charts, how to trade futures, well, look us up. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook, find our page there, or go to our website, targettrading.co. Get in touch with a representative at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.